My name is Jeremy Strothman, the founder of JS Controls and president. JS Controls is a systems integrator. The company was founded with the passion for motion control and material handling. GCG has been a strategic partner for many, many years. GCG has invested into resources to do robotic simulation. So through those resources and through our mechanical design capabilities, we were able to simulate the concept to allow the customer to be confident that we were supplying a superior solution. The customer for this application, they have a challenge of when barrels arrive at location, the barrels are on their belly and they need to get rolled out of a trailer. At these particular locations, there's a need for barrels to be organized on a pallet. So the challenge is getting the barrels rolled from their belly and organized on a pallet in a 9-barrel configuration. This system will be subject to outside temperatures, so obviously it could get below zero. The mechanical solutions are very challenging in those extreme environmental conditions. We were challenged with, can you guys come up with a more innovative way to do this to where we can not only do it with potentially a robot, where we get away from the complex mechanical solutions, but also have a 2-in-1, where one unit is capable of doing the palletizing and depalletizing. Obviously, the heart and soul of the application is the robot. Luckily, MotoMan had a robot, a 6-axis robot that had the payload capabilities that we needed for this application. The barrels are 550 pounds. The end of arm is probably around 300 pounds, so there needed to be quite a bit of payload capability. One of the big challenges with this application is being able to identify where barrels are on the pallet for depalletizing. We selected APERA AI to tell the robot exactly where to go to get the barrel from the pallet, and also if the orientation of the barrel was skewed or tilted, the camera system would also tell the robot what that tilt looked like and to make those adjustments as it went to get the barrel. In addition, there's a lot of articulation to get from the pallet to the pick points. So in order to make that happen, we selected Murrplastik. Has a nice dress-out kit, and it's great. Murrplastik does a fantastic job with supplying dress-out kits to fit our unique needs. In this particular solution in which we're executing, the cost of ownership is very low. It's a very cost-efficient solution, and the maintenance is very low. So I would say the biggest benefit to the customer is the cost of ownership perspective.